Hi, in this lesson, we'll learn how to call a void method with parameters. Let's go. In the last lesson, we learned about how to write method signatures, which are made up of a couple different components. In this lesson, we are going to focus on the parameter list. Suppose we created a new rectangle but wanted to change the width of the rectangle from 10 to 6. Is there a way to do this without creating a completely new rectangle? We could create a method that will change the width value. Just as constructors can have parameter values, methods too can have formal parameters that affect the state of the object. Let's see how we can use parameters to solve this problem and fix the width value of the rect object. When we instantiate rect, we are initializing the variables width and height to take the values 10 and 5 respectively. When we initially call print area, the value printed will be 50, as the width 10 is being multiplied by the height 5. When we use the setWidth method, the width of the rectangle object now is being changed to the value that was passed in the method signature. The new value of width is now 6, so when print area is called again on the object rect, the value of the area now is changed to reflect that. Similar to constructors, the actual parameters that are passed to the method signature must be the same data type as the formal parameter that is listed in the method signature. Otherwise, the program will throw an error. Just as we can overload constructors with multiple parameters, we can do the same with methods. Method overloading follows the same principles. Java will automatically use the correct version when called, depending on the parameter values. Note that the final example here is poor naming. This method does more than just set the width of the rectangle, so it should be more specific. A better name for this method might be set width and height. Now that you've learned about calling a void method with parameters, let's get some practice in the CodeHS editor.